All right, boys and girls, so what are we working on today? Oops, almost dropped my phone. It's a 2004 Ford F250, and we're changing the gas tank, fuel pump, which I already did. Now I'm putting new straps on, which are right there on the ground. And this is a two-wheel drive. Now this is a V10, and it's a extended cab, and it's an 8-foot bed. And you will not find charcoal canister underneath the fuel tank, and you will not find the fuel module underneath the fuel tank. None of that's going to happen because there ain't nothing back here, and there is nothing underneath the spare tire. Okay, so wherever they put it on this year, this model, I have no clue, but that's not the issue today. The issue I had was driving down the road, and it died repeatedly about 4 or 5 times. Coming home, it was an hour and 15-20 minute trip to get home, and it kept repeatedly dying. It kept starting up. Not sure if this is going to cure the problem or if the problem still exists, but whoever did the brake lines on these things, they didn't do a very good job. They had this was all hanging down between the gas tank and the frame here, so all I had to do was wait for it to break and then have no brakes. So I had to fix that. And then the Evap system. This is your tube Evap on the V10. The Evap line here is Evap line is here. Comes down and goes into this Y. So the metal line, I couldn't get 1/2-inch metal line. I don't know where the hell you get it, but I got this is braided fuel line, so it should work just as well. I took and I replaced all of it. I bought crimp clamps here because I got the tool to do it, but I ran this all the way back. It's all new, and I took out all the broken crap that was in here. They left all the broken, rotten lines in here just to decay so the rest of the shit could rot. I don't do that kind of stuff. This is the way I do it. So now we are going to put new straps on, like I said. So this is the V10. It's a 2004, and it's only two-wheel drive, and it's a F250. So there you go. All right. Yeah, I live in the northern states where the salt is all plentiful. So there you go. We got a strap holding this end up. We're gonna sneak that strap up in there and go down. All right. So there you have it. F250, two-wheel drive. Thanks for watching.